going on YouTube? Avery back with another episode of Watkins Homesteading. Today I'm doing some coop management with our main coop here and our smaller coop over there. Getting out a lot of the old bedding that's under the roosting bars. That area gets saturated quickest with a lot of just the poop and manure that chickens let off. So I'm scooping out those areas and I'm going to refill them back with some Tractor Supply fine premium shavings here. Before I put those down, I'm going to put down some food grade diatomaceous earth. When dealing with diatomaceous earth, it's important that you wear some type of mask. It's just a really fine material that you don't want to breathe into your lungs because it can cause some respiratory issues. And then also over top, I'm just going to put down some Coop-N-Compost. All the links to everything that I'm going to be using today will be down below in the description. But this is really just a quick project. Go in there, get out some of the old manure and bedding area, put down some diatomaceous earth, put down some fresh bedding, and then put down some Coop-N-Compost on top. We've lost 2 chickens to, I think, some bacterial issues. So I'm just going to go in there and give the coops just a good cleaning. Work on some of the roosting bars, just spray them down with some light disinfectant that's diluted with water. And then also, again, like I said, take care of really the roosting areas where a lot of the manure, poop, and things like that collect up after a while. All right, YouTube, so we're all done. I put down again some fresh shavings. Underneath that is diatomaceous earth, and on top is a light layer of Coop-N-Compost. On the roosting bars, this white stuff that you can see. It's called garden dust. It also helps with mites and lice and parasites. So everything is fresh in here. The nesting boxes, I cleaned those out. Added some fresh straw. So this coop is good to go. On to the second coop. We're all good here. Some more garden dust to help with mites, lice. Some fresh shavings all the way over. Pine shavings you can smell is really strong like pine. Again, sprayed down everything, disinfected everything. Put in some fresh oyster shells. Food's good to go. And we're all set. Last but not least, I added some additional electrolyte mixture and vitamin mixture to the water just to help with their immunity and to keep them strong throughout these winter months. So that's it for the day, YouTube. Again, over my left and right shoulder, I cleaned out both coops, put down some fresh bedding, some diatomaceous earth, and some Coop-N-Compost. And then also some garden dust. All of those things are going to really help lice and mites, bacteria, all that type of stuff. So if you're interested in learning more or have any additional questions or comments for me, please leave a comment below. And again, all the descriptions to the materials and products I use are going to be down below in the description. I hope you guys have a great day. As always, hope everything is going well where you are. I can never get that right. Thanks again for watching the episode of Watkins Homesteading. Take care.